Hi friends, we will see numericals on convection, how the convection heat transfer takes place, and that convection is given by Newton's law of cooling. Rate of heat transfer Q equals to H into A Ts minus Tf, whereas Ts is surface temperature, Tf is fluid temperature. So this is the numerical which is given on convection. We will first write the given data. Okay, whatever may be theory I have given in our previous lecture, okay, regarding this. So they have given the diameter of a wire 2 mm. Okay, that can be written into 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. Okay, after that they have given 145 mm length. Length has given, that is 145 mm equals to 145 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. Is submerged in a water at atmospheric pressure. The electric current is passed through a wire, is increased till the water boils at 95 degrees Celsius. Then the temperature of fluid has given, that is temperature of a fluid equals to 95 degrees Celsius. Under the condition, if the convective heat transfer coefficient, dear friends, H has given, and that is 4350 watt per meter square degree Celsius, and we have to find out how much electric power must be supplied. Okay, whatever you have must be supplied, we have to find out electric power supplied to maintain the wire surface temperature as 117 degrees Celsius. So that is temperature of a surface, that is 117 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is the given data. From this we should have to find out the area. Okay, area, the wire is in having a length, and the area of that will be given as 2 pi l. Okay, pi dl, that will be pi dl. Okay, so area will be find out here. Area equals to pi into diameter is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into length. Okay, you have to find out the length in mm, in meter, that is 145 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay, this will be the area. We will put directly that value in equation. So to find we have to find out first thing electric power supplied. Electric power supplied, electric power, what will be the electric power supplied to obtain the wire temperature as 117 degrees Celsius. You should know, if you are supplying electric power means heat is generating in that wire. Okay, that is directly proportional. So in this way we can write here in a solution, electric power supplied, electric power supplied is equals to heat generated, or equals to total convection heat transfer. And according to Newton's law of cooling, rate of heat transfer in convection Q equals to what? H into A Ts minus Tf. Okay, whereas H is convective heat transfer coefficient. H has given that is 4350 into area, pi dl. Okay, that is having a length. Wire length will be find out in this way. Okay, pi dl. You have to put as it is pi into diameter has given 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into length has given 145 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into surface temperature has given your surface temperature is 117 minus temperature of fluid is 95. In this way we will obtain, I have find out it. Okay, you have to use here Kelsey and you have to write the answer in comment. Okay, you have to use Kelsey and I have find out that answer of this rate of heat transfer. Okay, that is 87.18 watt. Okay, that is I have find out that answer and that is nothing but 87.18 watt. 87.18 watt. Friends, you have to use Kelsey here. Okay, I have find out the answer of this solution. You have to click one thing. Okay, up to which time you are supplying electric power. Okay, that is nothing but your electric loss. Okay, and that is proportional to heat generation. Okay, that is proportional to heat generation. That's why we have find out that here. Okay, whatever may be the heat generated or heat loss. Okay, or electric supply. Okay, which is given. So we'll see another numerical of a same kind to understand this convection heat transfer in a proper manner. So the problem statement is like as we have used here to find out this rate of heat transfer. We have used Newton's law of cooling. Okay, and the rate of heat transfer is always measured in watt. So the statement of second numerical is okay. So second numerical, calculate the rate of heat transfer. Calculate the rate of heat transfer calculate the rate of heat transfer hot plate of dimensions of plate has given, that is 1.2 meter into 1.6 meter. Okay, plate dimensions I have given is maintained, that plate has maintained at 295 degrees Celsius. air at 23 degrees Celsius, air at 23 degrees Celsius blows over a plate, blows over a plate. If the convective heat transfer coefficient, convective heat transfer coefficient, if the convective heat transfer coefficient is 18 watt per meter square degree Celsius. Okay friends, they have told to find out rate of heat transfer. Our regular procedure is to write the given data. The plate surface area has given, okay, that is already is in meter. Dimension of the plate has given, that is in meter. Area equals to 1.2 meter into 1.6 meter, okay, whatever may be, that will be in meter square. And the temperature of the plate, okay, that is we are considering as a temperature of a surface temperature, okay, that is 295 degrees Celsius, and air, that is temperature of a fluid, is 23 degrees Celsius. What blows over a plate, plate के ऊपर से जा रही, okay, cold air, okay, having 23 degrees Celsius temperature. If the convective heat transfer coefficient has given, that is H equals to 18 watt per meter square degree Celsius. To find a rate of heat transfer in convection, okay, you have to find out Q, okay, rate of heat transfer. Solution is rate of heat transfer in convection, Q equals to H into A, surface temperature minus fluid temperature, okay. H is your 18, okay, area is, okay, area of a plate, that is 1.2 into 1.6 into surface temperature Ts 295 minus 23. Dear friends, put the values in calci and find out the answer. Rate of heat transfer Q equals to, and I have found out that answer, that is 9400.32 watt. Dear friends, this can be written as Q equals to 9.40032 kilowatt. Okay, you can write in this format. So this is nothing but your rate of heat transfer. We have seen the heat transfer by radiation also, and after this we will see numericals on radiation. Thank you.